vlogger ng Jensen. Ang pang ilang plato na yan?
Ganito pala dito sa Malaysia. Na tao, hindi masyado mausok, pero may isang langaw.
Bakit lang?
Wala kasi
Punong-puno ng pangarap.
May pangarap sila dito. Dito ba sila na-interview?
Mag-survey mo na ako. Anong masasabi mo sa mga
Tired
nakikita
ako.
mo ngayon? Ha? Tired
Tired ako.
ka? Huwag ka matard. Perfectionist mo ng mukha. Uy! Ikaw no! Ikaw no! Makatama ka! Makatama ka!
Where are we?
At Genting.
Nakita ko na yung binasabi.
Yung sa kita na Rafael.
Okay, siya late sa lalaki.
Oo. Yung so pretty. Genting Highlands ba name nito? Basta Genting.
Genting Highlands Airport.
Airport?
Airport Club.
Oo, naami diri sa mga outlet thing nila. Outlet before makasakay ng cable car. It's not new. Ako, 65 lang. Should I buy this? 65. I-times 14 mo ba din yung isipin mo? Para nakakalimutan natin. Hindi peso, yung mga dito ba? Ang 1 ringgit, pag pa-convert mo sa airport, ito equivalent to 14.3. Yan, something ganun.
Bakit ka ganito?
So, we are now here at SM. Ha? At Genting. Yes, at Genting. Somewhere in Genting. You know, there is so cute snake. That one, the night one. That's a snake. It's so amazing, so big. And the place so amazing. Also, basta, uy, matanawan ano. Hi.
Nasili makit na.
Hi. Hi. Ah, scripted.
Hi, God.
Uy, sali ka.
Hi. 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 Good morning. We are now in Putrajaya. Are you tired? Yes. But you can't do anything about it. Clingy. Armor.
Ipakita natin kay naka-OJT shirt ka.
This area, like I said, we have 8 departments, so we have monthly.
Are you satisfied with your pictures?
So long to bring.
Ay, ang baby, oh. Hello! Hi! Ayan na po ang artista namin. Well, di ko sure asang kabayo. Bakit ka magparinod? Hala, Zek! Time check! 10:33 Bobo. We are in Thailand. Yes, wait na lang ni karon. Sa mga C80 nga na-stuck sa immigration. Anong masabi mo na na-stuck ikaw sa immigration?
Ang sabi ko lang
They don't understand.
Magic.
And did you see they have a what does it mean?
Ha 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 ha.
It is meaning infinity. It means very rich. Wealthy, unlimited.
You good? You good? No! So many dinosaurs. Yes, we can talk like this.
A few moments later.
Hilak man. Anyari. Ganyan.
Yung bebe na yan.
Nakatisyo diri. Ano sa hilak? Buk niyo. Holo sa diyo. Kapulong ka sa Arison. Ay, tama day.
Kain na luwi siya sa elephant.
Storya.
Pwede ba?
Yeah.
Ano nag-ihi siya? Nag-ihi. Amazing. Bigyan naman So amazing. Makaya mo yan as a civil engineering student. So tamad. The patience. Patience they have. Format alis ng ano ganito? Name nito? Ng place? Ng province?
All I know is Chonburi,
Hindi, hotel yun.
Balongbong.
Pa. Thailand.
How you feel about it? People saying you ain't gonna be shit. Late night staying up, wishing you was different. The pills inside your dress is your only friend. Might take 2 or 3, cause what's the difference? Slow it down, trying to make a change because your father moved you out of town. Used to be a city girl, but living in the country now. Used to be an open book, but now you keep a secrets. Cause they the only thing that never leave.
Both of them have legacy.
Very popular.
And nationalism.
Nationalism. It's like the Japan in the Philippines.
Oh, so pretty.
Same like you.
So pretty. It's a lady. Gago. Sticky rice natin. Ala. Sticky rice at ilagay. Sticky rice. Oo. Sa mangga. Alam mo sa film? Sila sa lagi sa mangga sa sticky rice. Okay. Tama yung dalawa. Very yummy. Sige, try mo na may kanin din. Sali mo sa mangga. Sali mo sa mangga. Mangga yan. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap yung mangga.
Egg.
Ek. Oh, ek. Wag ko rin na lahat.
Baka hindi ko magusto.
Kasi hindi masarap lagi eh.
Our bus very fast because we are talking about lady boys. We know how to explain. But we know if you want to know who's lady or lady boy, stay more. Longer.